Hey everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing pineapple upside down cake using our electric skillet. First up, in a bowl we're gonna pour our ready-made vanilla cake mix. This recipe calls for 3 eggs and some pineapple juice, which we'll get from our pineapple slices. For a full list of the ingredients, please check the description below. Now we're just gonna mix this up, and we'll do that until the mixture is nice and smooth. We're gonna set our electric skillet to 145. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more cooking videos from us. Now we're just going to spread around 1/2 to 1 cup of brown sugar to cover the base of the skillet, and we'll be placing our pineapple slices on top. And we'll do the same with our glacé cherries. Now we're just gonna pour our cake mixture on top, trying to be as even as we can. Put the lid on, and we're gonna set our timer to 20 minutes. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. We're at Neolife Health System Ltd. Once the timer is done, we're just gonna crack the lid open, leave it ajar, and let the cake cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the cake is cooled, we're gonna run a spatula around the edge of the cake for ease of flipping. Put a plate on top, and now it's time to flip. If you do try this recipe, don't forget to tag us. And leave us a comment down below on what you want us to try next. And it's time for the big reveal. There you have it, your pineapple upside down cake is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy!